A routine DWI case, or so it seems. As this defendant stands before the judge, every answer she gives could determine whether she gets a second chance, or faces serious consequences. Stay until the end to see why the judge ultimately accepts the plea but adds conditions that could completely shape her future.
Good morning. You're always dapper.
Oh my God, it's luck today.
All right. Court is calling 2025 CR 014223 State versus Heatherly Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced?
Ready for the state?
Tony Jimenez for Ms. Gonzalez.
All right. And are you Miss Gonzalez?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
We did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge will be going on the lesser included offense of DWI first.
Any objection?
None, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of driving while intoxicated as the first offense. That's a Class B misdemeanor. Range of punishment is up to a $2,000 fine and up to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, I'm not gonna give up.
Are you giving up the rights and entering into a plea bargain agreement in this
Oh,
case?
yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $2,000 fine? You're gonna have to speak up. Nobody can hear you.
Yeah.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, she was.
Ms. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at a $500 fine, and they're recommending deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
State defense?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
None, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be 48 hours community service restitution, DWI education, VIP live, and ignition interlock for half the term. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Judge, we offer state zone number 1, all attachments.
No objection.
State you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
We're just asking the court to respectfully accept the plea agreement between the state and the defendant based on the circumstances of the case.
All right. Do you want her to be sentenced today?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yes,
That's okay.
Judge. I misheard.
No, no problem. Anything, and so you've said what you needed to say. So what have you been doing since this incident?
I was working, but I just had my baby. I've been on maternity leave. I do go back to work in July.
All right. So have you taken any classes in regards to this? Have you done anything to address these issues that brought you here?
Oh, yes.
What have you done?
I've been on the ignition lock for almost a year now, since August. And I did take a class. I'm not exactly sure which class I could get the certificate.
Oh, what was it about, the class?
For the DWI.
But I mean, what did you learn?
Oh, not to do any of this again, not to be driving, don't drink. I'm not drinking at all anymore. I've learned my lesson and I just want to grow from this incident.
All right, because your child could have been killed, somebody else could have been killed. All right, probation, $500 fine probated, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, TAP evaluation out of custody, follow recommendations. Was Child Protective Services involved?
I already went through that. I got a certificate. I completed that as well.
All right. There is going to be 60 hours of community service restitution. If you've completed parenting classes to them and you provide that to probation, then the court will give you credit for 60 hours of community service restitution for completion of the parenting classes.
I have that.
All right, thank you. 18 months deferred adjudication. DWI education course, VIP live, ignition interlock for half the term. Proof of employment within 65 days. No employment as a home health care provider with minors. Field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Judge,
You're welcome.
one more
Yes.
thing. Her husband just received an employment offer in North Dakota. He's there now. They may be making arrangements to move to North Dakota, so we may be making an application to the court to allow the transfer of the probation.
She doesn't have to come back if she requests a transfer to North Dakota.
Yes, sir.
Then that will be granted.
Thank you, Judge.
But if you seriously consider doing that, because there may be a bit of a wait time, you probably need to apply for it
Yeah.
sooner rather than later.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank
All
much.
right. Thank you. You're welcome. You too. Have a good one. Thank you.
What do you think? Did the judge strike the right balance between accountability and a second chance? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoy real courtroom cases, legal breakdowns, and unforgettable judge moments, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and join our community so you never miss the next courtroom story. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.